Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to clear your search history on Google Chrome. Whether you're using an Android phone or a laptop PC, clearing your browsing and search history is important, especially for protecting your privacy and keeping your device clutter-free. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. Select History. You'll now see a list of all the websites and searches you've made. To delete individual items, just tap the X icon next to each one. To delete everything at once, tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. Choose the time range, like all time, if you want a full cleanup. Check browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, depending on what you want to delete. Then tap Clear Data, and that's it. That's how you clear your search and browsing history on Google Chrome. Quick, easy, and essential for maintaining privacy. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.